Long flight, stayed on strange time. It's a strange time in my life. I took a drive to clear my mind, and I ended back at your spot for what felt like the millionth time. Reconnection from separate sections, cause we could meet in the middle with no sense of direction. If it's sun up to sundown, we mess around, we're way too involved now. I never wanted someone to disappear, to disappear, to just get out of here.
I've realized that I always start my vlogs from here. I don't know why. Napenda tu kwanza vlogs asubuhi. Asubuhi kama nimeamka nikitengeneza breakfast. Cause if I don't start in the morning, believe you me, I won't vlog. Check them. These nails need fire. I even made a reel for them. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, sijuna ngojea nini, follow your girl at just__Rihanna. These are Aries season nails. You know you guys are into zodiacs and stuff. So I always do my nails each and every season. I think I started with Capricorn. Now we're in Aries season. So I wanted to do red, but then come on, and June napenda nude. So it's like red see mimi. So yeah. I've gotten a lot of you guys telling me the way you miss me on YouTube. Oh, you guys are so sweet. Let me tell you, when you're a YouTuber, actually sometimes even when you don't feel like putting out content, it's the people that follow you that actually push you to do stuff. Because sometimes I want motivation. Like maybe there I was lacking motivation kabisa, you know. I don't know what happened, but I don't know kama ni kujidoubt ama ni nini, but mimi sikuwa tunajisikia kushika kamera, kuweka kamera kwa uso, and then I start doing stuff, and then I feel like I've already done so much in my videos, so I'm just like, what else can I do? And then if you haven't noticed, by the way, I'm the type of person, I don't vlog like my personal life, although watu wanaweza sema kuonyesha sijui nyumba ni nini, hiyo ni personal, but me that's not personal. Nyumba ni nyumba, hizo manyumba ni same. Manyumba zote ni same, kiti ni kiti, unajua kitanda ni kitanda, kabati ni kabati, like the hell. Anyway, nilikuwa nasema nini? I wanted to show you guys how I clean my washing machine. I usually use white vinegar. So I use a third of vinegar, 1 part of one part vinegar, 2 parts water. So right now nataka tu kuimwaga hapa. I have this was for my window Elisha, so I just reuse it. So this is what I use to clean my washing machine, my fridge. Today I just want to do my washing machine because I washed my towels and they came out and they were looking not so white, and I was like, but most of the time it's because of the grime that hides hapo kwa hiyo rubber hapa kwa mlango. There's usually some grime that you have to wipe out, so that's what I want to do today. So anyway, as I was saying, guys, thank you so much. If you've ever come to my DM unaniambia mdem unadu uko, and then some water, thank you so much. Now I appreciate, because ingekuwa nyingi ningekuwa tu nalala mimi. I think this is enough. So guys, am I looking snatched or what? So sijui kama ni apple cider vinegar ndio ina work ama ni venye pia mimi nimekuwa nikiangalia vitu zenye nakula, because I don't take sugar. I don't take sugar. So I've changed a couple of things in my diet. As you've seen, this morning nimekula hiyo bread. But said nimekula hiyo bread kila siku. Like that bread, it's my friend who bought it for me. My friend who's my neighbor, she was at the supermarket. She was like, I bring you that bread we like. I was like, yeah. Once in a while, unajitibu. That's what I always say. I don't eat heavily like at night. And I feel like I probably do like maybe 2 meals in a day. 2 meals. Like right now, when you make breakfast around 11, 12. You know what I mean? Easter babe. Tunalala. Make breakfast around 11, 12. Then by the time I'm eating supper, itakuwa maybe around 6 over there, 6, 7 over there. And then after that, I won't eat anything else. If I do eat something, maybe it's a fruit or a carrot or a tomato or something like that, because kitu tumesema ni narudi size 10. So I like how my body is. Napenda tu venye kana come through, you know. But how you know that it's working? Like for me, I had really bad back rolls. So zina reduce. My back rolls are reducing. Nimeanza kurudi flat, which is really good. I don't work out as much as I could or as I want, but you know what, progress pole pole. Tumejipatia 2021 ndio tumalizane na hizi vitu za weeks na nini. So yeah, wacha to clean guys, let's clean. So mostly kama nguo zako hazing'ari, it's this part that you need to clean. Mbona hizi mauchafu ziko kwa hii rubber. Vlogging and doing this is not the easiest thing, by the way. This summer, I'm going to the streets. I'm going to the streets. I'm going to the streets. I don't know why that song keeps playing in my head. You have to clean it regularly. Like let's say kama ningekuwa nimekaa for many months without cleaning it, ingekuwa black huko ndani. But for moi, the minute I see a change in my clothes, I don't relax. See that? Kazi rahisi sana, by the way. It smells like vinegar though. I think I'll leave it open for a while ndio that can smell. And though there's something you can buy from the supermarket ya kuingiza huko ndani, then you let your washing machine run for like 15 minutes. You can let it run on rinse and spin. Hapo hakitu unanonga supermarket, but sometimes sionangi kama inafanya any difference, because really the places that you need to wipe ni huko kwa hii rubber, because hii rubber ndio inabebanga mauchafu mob, you know. So we are done. On to the next thing that I need to do for the day. Nani ataniamsha kutoka hapa chini? Nani? Babe! Hayuko. I got jokes. Ah! Look at our nguo. Gross. Yeah. Ew, gross. Hii ni kitanda ya nani? Hii haikai kama kitanda ya mheshimiwa. Acha tutengeneze hiki kitanda ikae kama cha mheshimiwa mkuu Rayana.
much better. You deserve much better.
Kusema kweli, nimechoka. I am beat. Making my bed is always an extreme sport. I can't even. Here's the process. Kuna mattress cover, kuna the fitted sheets, and you know my bed is big. Alafu niko hapa peke yangu. Alafu mattress yenyewe ni heavy. Alafu ndio hizi makucha. Alafu kuna flat sheet. Alafu kuna duvet. So with my duvet, I usually put 2 duvet covers, cause this Saka cover I came to realize, but then before you buy these 2 duvet covers, the white ones, just know if you have a colored duvet, it will show through. So like mine ni red na black. So when I put it on its own, I put this Saka, the white Saka duvet, this one. If I put it on its own without another duvet inside, like with a solid color, it will show. It will show the 2 red and the 2 black lines, because this is not, it's not heavy by the way. So before you buy it, even the pleats, no, they're not called pleats, they're called pin tack. Yes, they show through. So before you buy jua too, kama your duvet is not white, it will show through, and you'll probably have to use another duvet inside. Your show. I think me naenda ku end vlog hapa chill, nitafute shows za kuwatch. Nimeona nini inaitwaje, Ready to Love is back, season 4, so I'm gonna watch the first episode, the casting episode, I think. And by the way, I watch a lot of reality shows. I love reality shows. I think I'm a sucker for drama. I don't want drama in my life, but I like seeing drama in other people's lives. So right now, what am I watching? I'm watching Married to Medicine. Married to Medicine is bomb, y'all. If you're not into it, get into it. 90 Day Fiancé. I think the only Real Housewives franchise that I watch is Atlanta, and the one for what are they called? Potomac. Potomac. Karen, Giselle. I love the cast of that franchise too. The same Real Housewives of Atlanta imebo, siezi danganya. Imebo kabisa. I think the only person who's making it interesting is Kenya Moore. My petty Aquarius sis, but itabidi mtuelewe tu. Kama uja watch Married at First Sight ya this season, mi sijui uko dunia gani. There's a guy called Chris. Maniba wangu anapigana na sijui mamlango ya nini. So Chris marries Paige at first sight. I think he was into the whole Married at First Sight idea until he saw Paige and he wasn't attracted to Paige. But pali kachumbi kanaongezeka ni Chris analala na Paige kama anajua yuko attracted to Paige, because ati anafikiria kilala na Paige ata get ako ka attraction. So in the end, he tells Paige that I'm not attracted to you, so I'm guessing we should get a divorce. And it's like Paige says, oh, they've been bouncing. If you get what I mean. Nakwambia Married at First Sight this season is just fire. Kama ujanza kuwatch hiyo kitu, ingia to watch. Anyway guys, let me just go. Let me end this video here. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Hope you enjoyed this one, and also please like my videos so that they get recommended to other people to watch. So yeah, I will see you guys later. Bye.